So I've decided to sell these two. I'm saying goodbye to this one. We've had some good memories, haven't we? So I've gotten a buyer who is willing to buy like them as a bundle. Yeah, this table has been with me from my first apartment. Some of these things we just gotta let them go so that we make room for new things, new memories, new everything. I want to make a stew, a beef stew, a one-pot beef stew, a one-pot potato and beef. Yani, these are the ingredients. I don't know if you can. Potatoes, meat, carrots. Nigoje tama ni hoho yo. Yeah, everything is going in the pot. I'm cooking it in my pressure cooker. The first thing that I'll do is boil my meat. You know how I do. I don't think I can ever cook meat without first boiling it. That's how I know it's cooked, by the way. Give me mambo ya rare, well done, medium rare. No, I don't do that. Fully cooked, slightly burnt. That's how I like it. Yeah, so let me get started on that. Okay, the meat is in. I am going to pressure cook for 30 minutes. Nyanyas, tungus, this. Well, this these ones look like they've seen better days, but anyway, we'll use them anyway. So what I'm doing now is sauteing, just introducing the aspect of oil kiasi to the dish. So that's why I love this electric pressure cooker. It has that saute mode where you can do this, you can like cook like this. I don't know how to explain, but anyway, you're saying. So I've included my meat to saute kiasi. Yep. Keeping it simple with the spices. I'm just doing black pepper, ginger, and a few cubes, Teriyaki cubes, and that one chili cube. Yep. And now all our vegetables go in. Okay. So I have this rice that was in the fridge. Let me just heat it up. Bit dark. Come this way. Come to the separate toilet and bathroom. Yours. The bed, then the tiny kitchen. Oh my god, it's tiny, but we will manage. Yes. Okay, that's it, guys. I have a tiny mirror,